back to my channel. This is a super tipid budget meals. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, dito po ako sa aking fridge, aking lucky fridge. So we can lock this one, this our lucky fridge, kung anong mabibigay po niyang blessings po sa atin, kung anong mailuluto po natin. So we can knock kung ano ang nasa inside, and I have a surprise to you all guys. Ayan. So, nag-prepare po ako dito ng ito na lang yung natitira, 1 potato and 1 cabbage and 1 egg. Ayan, if you can say, wala na po talaga. So, ito imamagic po natin for a very special, simple dishes po. And, let's go in our kitchen. Ayan, guys. Hi guys! Welcome to my humble kitchen. Today and this episode guys is magluluto po tayo ng very, very simple dishes, no? We can go and travel in Mexico. Ayan guys. We can cook the Spanish dishes, no? This is only 3 real guys. 'Di ba? And I'm alone, nagugutom po ko habang nag-e-edit po ko, is we can make and cook the very special Spanish bread, no? Parang bread na ng Spanish to, at ang ingredients po ay, ayan na guys, ang potato and cabbage and egg. Like flat bread po siya. Ayan, similar lang po sa, ito yung pinaka-favorite ng mga Spanish na niluluto in Mexico. So, we can travel in Mexico and we can cook. Let's go, guys! So guys, sana mag-success tong ginagawa ko. This is a very special dishes. Worth 3 real. And we can add a chili. More bell pepper, paminta, and a little bit of salt. And guys, and we can put the egg. Ito na guys. We can prepare in the plate. So, ito na yung naluto po natin guys. This is a tort. Ayan o. Sobrang sarap. Ito ay tinatawag guys na tortellang in the Spain, from the Spain. Ayan. So, tikman po natin guys. Ang sarap. Potato and cabbage. Tinatawag nilang tortilla. The best dishes and famous in the Spain. Going to Mexico. Yan guys, sobrang sarap oh. This is the tortilla. Egg, potato, and cabbage. Tortilla from Mexico, Spain. Ayan guys. So, pwede kong ganyan. This is the flatbread of Mexico, usually, no? And pwede na din natin siyang ilagay po dito sa bread. Ayan guys. So, ito na nga guys. Naluto na natin ang ating flatbread na pinaka-special dishes ng Mexico Spanish bread. Ayan. So, ito siya. Para lang siyang homilit siya, no? Actually, parang homilit. Ayan o, ang sarap guys. Sobrang sarap. Ayan o. So, may patatas sa gitna. Ayan, hindi lang siya masyadong, Pero, okay na to. Sobrang sarap. Ayan guys, so, tikman po natin. Cabbage and potato inside. Harap ng harap, guys. This is very simple, only 3 real, 1 piece of egg, and ayan guys, oh. Pwede rin po natin ipalaman sa ating, kung ayaw nyo ng ganyan, sa ating bread. Kumuha po ako ng bread. Ayan, 1 piece for sa Ruben and 1 piece for me. Ayan guys, oh. Tara na, kain na po tayo while editing ng ating video, mga mamis. Ayan. In this very special episode, guys, is we can start the global dishes na makakatipid po tayo, guys. And this is from tortillas bread, no, from the Spanish in Mexico. Ayan. So, usually, ang mga niluluto po nila, guys, kung familiar po kayo, is yung mga paborito nila, potato and cabbage. Lagi ang kinakain nila, no? And bread. Ayan, guys. So, ayan na nga po. At isa ito na nakain ko din one time, one of the best restaurant in Singapore. So, ayan na nga guys. So, kumuha ako ng twist na gusto kong lutuin para maipakita ko po sa inyo sa super tipid budget meals and this is only 3 reals. So, let's go guys. Go, let's na guys. At mga mamis, go, let's na. At tikman na po natin ang ating niluto. Ipatikim na natin to kay sir. So, mag-comments lang po kayo down below. Tanungin nyo lang po ako kung anong may share nyo sa comments down below lang guys. And please po comments, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Ang iyong super tipid budget meal, Zaidi Galsote. Thank you all of you guys. I wish you happy to watching this video. My simple dishes. This is a Mexico dishes. Okay guys, so we can start the global cooking na guys. So ayan. So thank you. God bless us all po and I love you all. Thank you for watching. God bless po. Bye. Ayan mga mamis, tikman po natin ang ating very simple dishes ng Mexico dishes, no? This is the Spanish bread, Spanish na ginawa siyang omelette bread siya. Ayan, na may ingredients ng potato and cabbage and 1 piece of egg. Ayan, so ito po guys, habang nag-e-edit po tayo. Ayan. So, pwede nyo pong iulam, pwede nyong gawing merienda din na palaman sa tinapay. Ayan guys, let's go. Kain po tayo. Kain po tayo mga misis. Ayan. So, paki-check lang po yung description ko dyan at nandyan po yung pinaka-ingredients niya po. And we can start our global dishes guys. This is starting July. Different po yan na mga dishes ng iba-ibang bansa na mailuluto ng iyong lola. Pwede po kayong mag-comments down below kung ano ang gusto nyong ipaluto basta't affordable budget na super tipid budget meal, no? So, maximum 50 real. 50 real is very special dishes na yung marami na pong maluluto ng 50 real at hanggat abot ng aking budget ang aking packet. This one is natira na lang sa fridge, so talagang super tipid budget meal. So, let's go guys. Kain mo na lola mo while editing. Ayan guys, thank you for watching guys. Bye!